again, got that plastic feel to it. The interesting on Duranta, this is the first time that we talked about it with a particular plant, but you see these structures here? Anybody know what that is? On the stem? Limasoles. So you see these gas exchange structures on the stem. You'll notice that the limasoles are very prominent on Duranta. Okay. Leaves on Duranta are, let's see, I believe this is ovate. You guys who studied ovate, not ovovate. Ovate, right? I just get confused about which one is ovate and which one's ovovate. I know it's ovate shape, so let's just go with ovate. Alright, so you've got an ovate leaf. So you guys remember that that is a leaf that is sort of rounded at the tip, and the base is very acute. Okay? And this is one of those plants that we talked about earlier where there are margins, and they're distinctly toothed, but it only occurs on about the upper half, or the upper third of the leaf. Okay? Again, a nice glossy dark green when it's healthy, when it's comfortable. This one had a little bit of injury when it got moved in for the winter. And then also it's had a few little insect problems, so there's an issue you have to deal with in here. But, okay, so you've got the ovate leaf with the margins on the upper third. Obviously, if you've got flowers, that's a really nice help. Okay? So you've got these chains of, on this particular one, it's purple. Some can be more white. Some can have sort of not a pink color, but more toward that. And a number of them can be two-toned or mixed colors. You see the actual single flowers have I suppose a relatively long little corolla there, 5 petals, very frilly, and on the ruffles they're edged with a white color. On these chains, the flowers begin to open from the base and then open sequentially toward the terminal end. So you'll notice that these flowers have already opened and they're spent. The ones in the middle are now open, and the ones here on the terminal end are preparing to open. Okay, so this is a sequential, and that sort of tells you about the age of the particular flower structure. And then you see the fruit here that is simply this sort of golden structure. It's very fleshy, but they're hollow on the inside. Okay? So that's where the golden dewdrop comes from, the fruit. Duranta in the tropics gets to be relatively tall. Here, if you use it as a summer annual, Duranta will get to be 6 foot tall, 5, 6 foot tall. We have seen Durantas down around Humboldt at like Mercer Arboretum that are 15, 20 foot tall. Okay. Questions?